Imagine a three-dimensional coordinate system where age and relationship status define the ground plane, and sexual desire represents the vertical axis of altitude. In this space, gender acts as a fundamental structural separator. Instead of a single cloud of data, we find two parallel hyperplanes. The male hyperplane sits consistently at a higher altitude, a translation vector that remains rigid across almost every demographic quadrant. This is not a subtle variation. It represents an effect size that suggests deep-seated biological and socio-cultural foundations are pulling these two planes apart, creating a structural gender gap that persists regardless of age or occupation. The trajectories of time. As we traverse the age axis, these hyperplanes do not remain flat. They warp into distinct manifolds. The male manifold exhibits a parabolic trajectory, arching upward to a midlife peak in the late 30s and early 40s. It is a resilient curve that resists the gravitational pull of aging until well into middle adulthood. The female manifold follows a monotonic, continuous descent. It is a steady, downward-sloping surface that reveals a persistent reduction in desire over time, with a marked acceleration in the downward tilt past age 50. Force fields and coordinate shears. The landscape is further modified by local force fields, domestic and socio-economic variables that stretch and shear the planes. The parity vector. The number of children acts like a polarizing force.